I'm showing you how I fixed this dent in the fender of this Chevy Equinox. She's smooth, boys! All right, who did this? I guess it really doesn't matter at this point. Who's gonna fix it? I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is take this Dent Slayer tool and get this fender liner out of the way. This one's fabric, so it's fairly easy to move. Some of them are plastic and more difficult, but this one is not gonna be that big of a deal. All right, now that I got that thing situated, I'm gonna choose my tool I'm gonna push with. I'm gonna start this thing out with this flat bar, R6 and an R6 tip from Dentcraft. This PDR light from Eliminate is gonna help me see everything I need to fix this thing. This PDR light from Eliminate is gonna help me see all the highs and lows that I need to correct to smooth this thing out. Before I push, I'm heating it up with a propane torch to make sure the paint doesn't crack. All right, now I'm pushing with the R4. I'm using consistent pressure, slow and steady pushes so that I can make sure I don't make a mess of this. Once I get the bulk of this dent up, I'm gonna switch to knocking down all the smile that you see around it. Now that I have the bulk of this dent out, I'm gonna switch to knocking down all this smile that you see around it and this smile back here. I'm gonna start knocking this thing down with this hammer from Vaughan, manufactured in Hebron, Illinois. Boom, you can get this thing pretty much from anywhere. PDRtool.com. I'm gonna start in this area and work my way around that way. Now I'm gonna switch the board around the other way. Boom. So I can catch the direction that I couldn't see when I was working from the other way. All right, this is the area that I'm about to knock down. Oh my goodness, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to get my umbrella out. All right, now that I have my umbrella up, I'm gonna squeegee this thing off and get back to it. I have a crappy Amazon setup of an umbrella, but this year at MTE, I'm gonna get a grip umbrella system and get back into the professional realm of umbrellas. Now that I got this thing bulked out, I'm gonna switch from that cushion tip to this metal round tip to finish this thing off, to detail all those highs and lows. Guys, I'm dodging the rain on this one, so footage is gonna suffer a little bit. I'm doing my best. All right, let's finish this thing off. Here we go. All right, now I'm really fine tuning this baby with this Low Pro hammer from Dent Slayer and this Dentcraft knockdown holder and a VIP 2.0 tip. I think that's what this is. VIP tip. All right, I'm done with this thing. Let me give you a good look at it and let me give you the important things that I did to make this repair a success. First key to success, start slow. Don't try to fix this thing in your first round of pushing. Second key to success is you gotta be good at knocking down the smiles. The smile was the whole key to this thing. So get good at seeing smile, get good at knocking down, stay smooth. See y'all next time. Stay smooth. Boom. Dang, she's smooth.